Rhyme Crime by Jon Burgerman, read by Nonnie. Once upon a time, a thief committed a crime. Everything he stole was replaced with a rhyme. Hammy's brand new hat was swapped for a cat. Meow. Gum Pop's lovely head became a slice of bread. Oh, crumbs. Arney's comfy chair was switched for a bear. Yikes. Toodle's loyal dog was taken for a log. Burr, burr. Moo-Moo's fancy clogs were swapped for some frogs. We're Slippy, not slippers. Gertie's pretty house was now a giant mouse. Do you have some cheese? Eek! Marlowe's happy smile became a crocodile. Bingle's mighty sneeze, achoo, was swapped for stinky cheese. Cheese? Gulp. Blue's yummy cake was taken for a snake. Sleepy Boomer's brain was switched for a train. Toot toot. The thief took Tumble's orange and swapped it with a Splorange? Smorange? Morange? Florange? Warange? Gorange? Zorange? Borange? Dorange? Porange? There's the thief. Is this the end of his tale? The thief was taken to jail. What terrible luck. I'm truly stuck. But by the very next day, the thief had run away. How did he escape? The end?